Good morning all. I am UGC Derived. We are from Sustainable Engineering Group number 20. The topic of our project is the substitute for disposable yogurt cups. These are the outlines of our presentation. At the end of our presentation, we can define raw materials, properties and process of manufacturing disposable yogurt cups, describe uses and problems with this product, as well as identify alternatives for these disposable yogurt cups. Let's move to the presentation. Sustainable products are those products that provide environmental, social, and economical benefits with protective public health and environment over their whole life cycle. From the extraction of raw materials unit, the final disposal. Existing yogurt cups are less sustainable due to its non-disposable features and non-renewable raw materials. Therefore, we are proposing an alternative for the disposable yogurt cups. We'll move to the next slide. Actually, why this project is important? Let's see. Humans have produced about 8 billion tons of plastic since 1950, and more than half of it went straight to landfill. Of all of the plastic that's no longer used, only about 9% was actually recycled. To reduce this problem, we have to find more sustainable products to replace with disposable products. This project will help to establish a new alternative for the disposable yogurt cups, such that will be beneficial socially, economically, and environmentally. Next part of the presentation will be handled by Nirandi. Over to Nirandi.
Thank you, Rajini. I'm Adapatha ADNU. So we'll talk about the existing disposable yogurt cups. What is it? Well, what is it made of? Let us look into the raw materials. The most yogurt cups in the trade are polystyrene cups. Almost half of the composition is crystal polystyrene and about 25% is ethylene. Both of these are non-renewable. The rest is benzene and rubber, which are renewable and 25% of the whole composition. What is the significance of this formation? We consider the properties of the cup. As we all know, a yogurt cup is flexible and have a proper strength to hold its content. This is from the ethylene, benzene, and rubber. Yogurt have to be stored in cold. So thermal conductivity is a great property which have by polystyrene and ethylene. Because of the composition of ethylene and benzene, the cup is unable to absorb the moisture in yogurt. Polystyrene and ethylene provides a chemical resistance and a printable substrate to the cup. I will hand over to Lilakshi to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirandi. I am Godigamwa GLH. I will be talk about the manufacture process, uses, and the problem all related to the disposable yogurt cup. As you can see in this slide, there are several steps related to the process of manufacture a yogurt cup. The first step, mixing, extruding, rolling, and dividing. Mold replacing, cooling, and the demolding, cutting or separating are the next steps. And the last steps are packing and transporting. In this process, we can see that a lot of electricity and heat is needed, and also it emitted greenhouse gases like CO2 to the environment. Now let's see the uses of the disposable yogurt cup. The main use is to receive yogurt from steel consumption or expiring. Other than that, it can be used as a measuring cup to store small things and also to plant small plants. As you can see in this slide, the problem related to the yogurt's cup are as follows. Extraction of the raw materials causes severe impact on the environment, and the manufacturing is also costly since they are unimpacted on conceived physical, physical health. The, the process of recycle is also costly, and the process of disposal causes environment pollution. Therefore, to talk about the alternative, I would like to hand over to Kitney.
Thank you, Lilakshi. I am Veerakon WMK. So let's see what are the available alternatives. The first alternative is PET cups. These cups can be recycled and needed to be sorted and cleaned before recycling. PLA cup is the next alternative. PLA cup is a bio-based plastic cup which can be recycled probably, and these cups are made from renewable raw materials, and also it has a waterproof lining. Paper cups is the next alternative. This cup is not that much suitable for recycling because it is coated with grade 4 low density polythene, and also it is a little bit harmful to the environment in the manufacturing process. Cups made of stainless steel is our next alternative. These cups are reusable but more expensive. The last alternative is cups made of bamboo cups. These are made out of fast-growing renewable resources, and also they are compostable, but have to use chemicals when making it suitable as a yogurt container. So according to the information in the previous slide, we propose that the best substitute for a disposable yogurt cup is PLA cups. These PLA cups are made from cornstarch and sugar cane, and also they can be recycled and decomposed. And these are biodegradable cold cups which have a waterproof lining, and also they are more cheaper than normal plastic cups. The other thing is they don't generate as much toxic runoff, and also will not pollute the air in combustion. Naveen?
Thank you, Kitpini. I'm Abhikrama GNR. I'm going to explain the things that we have discussed to choose the best alternative for disposable yogurt cups. As we mentioned above, PLA cups have these advantages. They are derived from renewable resources. They use less energy in manufacturing. As well as PLA cups are environmental friendly. And also, PLA cups have basic properties for food packing like other plastic cups. So we think PLA is the most sustainable alternative for disposable yogurt cup. Shall we move to the next slide? Okay. Next, I am going to explain the final outcome of this project. The main thing that we have learned is how to give an engineering solution to a problem in the society, as well as we learn how to produce an formal engineering report. As this is a group work, we improved our group working skills also. Finally, I would like to say we learn how to apply sustainable concepts to engineering projects. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.